Another DIY project.
Hi guys, so I decided to do my own hair again. This style is a crochet. So I did my own braids. This time I added a little extensions to my braids to make them thicker because my hair is really thin and when the braids get loose, it just happens so fast. So I thought if I would add a little braiding hair to my braids, it might make it last longer. And so I'm not really savvy with, cutting it, but I thought I should maybe cut a little bit in the front to give, a little bang. I do have a really big forehead, so I absolutely have to have bangs. And so the color is called Ice Blue. I was really experimenting. I did not know if I would like it or not, but I figured, what's the worst that can happen? You just try it and take it down. So this was actually July 4th when I did this style. I actually went out on a date, took myself out on a date to be more precise. And so, yeah, um, this was a day later. I wanted to tweak it just a little bit. I added a few more pieces in the front to make it a little more full. I cut a few more pieces and I just played with it a little bit with the parts. The parts were kind of thick, so I did go in and add some more hair to fill those empty spaces. And I think it came out cute. It's different. At first I was like, I don't know about this. I feel like I look like somebody's grandma or somebody's old auntie. But I mean, it grew on me. I got a lot of compliments at church, actually. I received a lot of comments. A lot of compliments. People like the color. Again, it's called Ice Blue. So it's blue with a lot of gray in it. Now, my hair is naturally gray anyway. I'll be 40 this year and I have a lot of gray hair. So I just try to embrace it. I don't color it as often as, you know, I probably should, but whatever. I like my grays. I embrace them. So I can't wait to go, all the way silver. I can, but, it's growing on me. Some things you just say, what the hey, you get used to it. So, this was Sunday after church, and so I just wanted to show you guys the products because I do have them on the website www.bentley's Beauty Boutique LLC.com. And so this was a Jerry Curl Beshe brand. Like I said, ice blue is the color. It took me one full pack, and so inside of each pack there are like 4 bundles. So I used one full pack, 2 full bundles, and I went into a third bundle, and then there's a 4th full bundle left. So I didn't even use 2 full packs on this style. But everyone's different. If you want to make it thicker or fuller, you can always do that. And so these are the eyelashes I'm wearing. They're also from the Beauty Boutique, Bentley's Beauty Boutique. These are style number BBB03. And so I actually wore these lashes with my last hairstyle I had, and so I just reused them. So they're really great for a reuse. Yeah, so check out the website.